Yo guys, what is up? Wednesday afternoon. Sorry, Tuesday afternoon. I wish it was Wednesday. But we are dabbing up a couple of last welds. And then we're going to commence to sand some of this filter. So, y'all come hang out with us. Alright guys, here we go. We got majority of the holes filled. Maybe about 5 or 6 little places left, and the top hat's still to weld in. But we are working our way. There's some filler through all the cracks and sanding it down. Lord, what fun, what fun. So, hang out with us while we rub some of this stuff down. Step by step. That's how it goes. Y'all see today I'm sweating. So, 20 minutes a day goes a long ways. Y'all see it here first. It takes work. It takes a little hand rubbing. It takes some effort. But you get where you want to go. Just keep going. Stay the course. So, as you can see, we are still at it. Day by day, projects get where you want them to go. You just can't give up. You can't lose hope. You got to stay focused, stay the course, and keep evolving to the next day. Slow progress is better than no progress. You heard it here. Shout out to my boy at Busy Works. Go check them out at Facebook at Busy Works, Instagram. Got a little shop down in the Houston area, so he knows his motors. Go check them out. We're gonna finish sanding a little bit, welding a couple of holes that we still got left to go, and I think that's gonna be the end of it for today. But just depends on how far we get. Stay tuned. Still at it. Same. As you can see, we gotta get all these little places. That one needs some weld right there. But fingertipping good times. A little bit more on the bottom. Get over to this side. Fine. There we go. Alright. Work the bottom of this one. There we go. Fine. We still got to get up in here and grind these babies down. Put some filler, but moving on up. As we come around, little by little, they get there. So we got our first round of filler on this side and all smoothed down. Now we're going to move on to this section. So, you can see the sweat dripping. Nothing is easy. You gotta get out here and you gotta work for it. Especially if you want to pull up and shut up. No, I'll just be playing. But yeah, you seeing it here firsthand. Work. 20 minutes a day goes a long way. I'm working on my little 2 hours today, I think. But I'm gonna sand a little bit more and get it one step closer for tomorrow. Y'all stay tuned. Don't forget, if you like watching us play with these cars, and there's the bottom of the video, so it's the like button. Tap it for me one time. Subscribe too. You get all the little notifications every time I post a new video. But another day in life, TDK. We out here in the shop, playing around. Catch up. That's the end of this one for today. We're gonna call it, and we're gonna get back at it tomorrow. So, like I say, like, follow, subscribe. 20 minutes a day. Stay that course. The end goal is so much sweeter.